Yeah, so you can see here. So basically that's what we have in the meanwhile. So the only thing you see, you look at your current price, and then you look at on your left. So the main gap is that one. Then you plug your robot. So now all this is simplified. You don't have to go all through these things and technicalities and all that. The only thing you do is just plug your robot. So you go to your daily time frame, you identify the direction, then definitely that's all, and then the robot will do everything for you. So let's take now, maybe you want to check, you didn't start with the NASDAQ, you do the same thing as well. So let's see the daily time frame. So you can see the gap, it's a bit huge, so it meaning that you cannot work with that. And then you go to, I want to show you the one that's how we can identify that. Let me show you. I'll show you an example. Give me an example. Okay, you see, right, you'll definitely lose, whether you know how to trade or whatever. If you are against the trend, you'll definitely not make money. So let me show you an example. Yeah, the market is a bit wide way, but I want to show you a perfect example. Like that one for us, it's a perfect example. There we go. Right, so let's look at this one here. Remember what I showed you first. So you've got that, you've got that. So that's clear. Remember, that's why you cannot just trade all the pairs. Sometimes the pairs, some are still preparing. You see, you have that. So definitely we can see the direction of this pair is Euro and ZD. We're taking it all the way up. But instead of you having to understand the technicalities and all that, the robot will do everything for you. Right? So after that, you can see the direction is going up. No matter what, the market has to go up and fill up that gap. And then first thing you check, remember the minimum must be between 50. So that's a problem because it's less than 50, meaning because now our take profit is above 25. So meaning that there's a chance that the market will retrace, and you can see. So make sure that the gap is how much is 50 pips minimum. So that one is accurate, but because of the pips, it's not correct. So you can see that. You can see that. I'll show you one. There's no way you'll find one. That's why you check all pairs. You check all pairs, you'll see. We'll find the accurate one. It's difficult to find one. So there's another one. Let's see, because this is an anti-correlating pair. So same applies. So if we're that, and if we're that, so you see, we've got this passage. So meaning we'll be looking forward to do what? To trade, and then the robot will just place towards that direction. That's how it happens. So that's how it works about. So the main important thing when you do Forex, the only thing you do is that you make sure that you get the direction right. No matter what, if you don't get the direction right, you will lose money. So the market retraces, whether you like it or not. The market will retraces, but you just need to make sure that whenever now it starts retracing, you've already took your money. So there. So definitely the market is going to come to that point. But now let's check how much is it. Is it worth it? Because someone calling. Let's see the questions. So we are live already. Your screen is still stuck on A. Really? Oh my gosh. Sorry. Okay. My screen is still stuck on that. Let's zoom, right? Let's do it live. So let's take you start with your NASDAQ. It doesn't matter whether it's NASDAQ, it was whatever, NAS 35, whatever you can say. So now you check your current price. There is your current price, right? There is your highest point. So this is the gap that you have here. So meaning the market is going to reach that point. So the direction is already confirmed. The only thing that you do, you just put your what? Your PWR. And then the PWR will do all the trading for you. So instead of you having to do all these technicalities and all that, you see, you have to check all this. So but now I have simplified it for you. So what I do is that now we already plug everything for you, and then the robot will just do everything for you. So let's see. In the meanwhile, when we have questions, so no, the robot will do everything. Like I said, you don't need to be here. This is just showing you where the concept, what what's going on, how does the robot works about, and all those things. So you don't really need to be here and confuse yourself. Continue with the same thing. You just plug the robot tomorrow in the morning, and then that's all. The robot plays everything. Let's show you what we're talking about. Let's go to the robot so that we can see. So this is your MT5. Your MT5. So already on its own. There we go. Expect. Look, the robot has got a stop loss and a take profit. Here it is here. Let me just show you here. So there, this is your take profit here. This is your take profit. That's your take profit for the robot. So the robot will do all that for you. And then your stop loss, there's your stop loss here. 45. Your minimum take profit is what? It's 30 pips. Remember, it's trailing. We didn't do a fixed take profit. Your take profit is trailing. So once the robot reaches 30 pips, the robot will put a stop loss of 25 on top of your profit. And then once it start going up on your direction, it's gonna start trailing with 5 pips on your direction. So let's see the questions. Yeah, you'll understand. Don't worry. I don't expect you to understand it in a day. You'll get it. It's your first time. Actually, you're gonna go watch this thing, so it's recorded. Which broker you advise one to take? Yeah, it's binary.com, because binary.com is the only way, is the one that we use only on your, is like, yeah. So it's I'm gonna call them, how do we place long and short orders? It's the same process. So this is what happens. So this is how you set up the robot in the morning. Instead of you having headache and stuff like that, you just go to the pairs. We're gonna select the pairs for you. Then you just we're going to select the pairs for you. So first you open the pair. Doesn't matter. So this is MT5. So what you do, the only thing, that's how simple we are the best in Africa. It's proven. It's no longer a matter of question. So you have that common, you just tick there. You tick the, we're the only people with MT5. So the only thing, you're gonna change your lot size. I use 0.5, right, for binary.com. And then what you do here, you don't change anything here. The only thing, you change your lot size and then make sure that the settings correspond with the ones we've sent. And then the only thing you do, you just do like that. Then you start trading and make sure that it's verified here. It's verified. The only people who can verify, it's me. So all that, then you wait for it to correspond. So you see now it's still installing. Then you put it where? On 5 minutes. So this is how it is. You plug it, then you're done and you start trading. So you just plug it and let it run. You don't have to really sit on your laptop and stuff like that. The robot will do everything. So this is MT5. So now on MT4, because remember MT5, we want to trade the VIX, we want to trade the boom crash, we want to trade the volatility index. You know, these are the only pairs that we have. So now let's see the questions. These questions, let's see questions. Can I use same accounts on MT5 and MT4? The answer is no if you want to trade binary.com, because binary.com, they don't have your normal pairs like NASDAQ and stuff like that. How do I know my lot size also MT5 is for who? Okay, definitely we're going to send you the trading plan for, we're going to send the trading plan for binary.com. On my PC, when putting settings according to your setups, I scroll down, it doesn't go further to put in true and false. So it's fine. You must send me a text so that we can send you the updated expect file. John, they do have normal pairs binary.com. Then definitely if they do, then it means you can use MT5 and trade both your pairs and then your binary.com. I'm using FX Pro. It does have NASDAQ and VIX. That's good. So it means you can use it on your MT4. And another example, let's do another example. We still have 5 minutes. Let's see, decide which questions do we have. Okay, does the robot works or not? There's this one with a negative energy. He has been blowing accounts since he started trading. He even blows a demo account. That's how serious poverty is against him. My friend, are you making money or is it a long story? No, okay, so let's get the questions this side. Okay, great. Let me do another example on the normal pair. So how can you do robots instruction using? Yes, definitely, it doesn't matter about the pair. So let's focus on a pair. Let's go to MT4. We need to get that thing a sticker or whatever you call it. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's take, you've got this. So you go to your MT5, right? MT4, same thing applies. So there it is here. Don't allow people to scam you and take your money for all those things. We are the only people. So each and every 2 months I do updates for you. So updates are there to change everything, because there's some people taking chances and stuff, but don't worry about it. So now there it is. Now you want to trade. We want to trade GBP. The only thing you do, will select the pairs for you. Then you just open your robot. Then make sure that everything is ticked here. You tick, ta-da. Then you put the settings according to how we put it for you, and then just press OK. Make sure your lot size correspond with the trading plan that we sent to you, and then that's all. Then you start making money. So basically that's what happens. So session 1, it's almost done. So basically we're going to do the sessions. So my main point on doing this is just to show people how basically, because I've been trading since 2016. So you can understand we have been doing it manually. That's why we recommend it, because the robot does everything for you. So success, it's all about patience. We've been here and we're going to be here with you no matter what. You see, no matter what, it can be bad, it can be hard, but my friend, we're not stopping. We are moving forward. Your robot isn't triggered. Make sure that your account is verified. For example, if I want to do the password myself, definitely that's what we're trying to show you. So basically that's what we are doing. It's not a force. You don't have to know how to do the password. You just have to, once you have the robot will do it for you. For current pairs, can we trade our own pairs instead of waiting for? Yes, definitely. Lithima, you can do it. Definitely, you can do that by yourself. Hi, John. I still don't have my robot, and please advise me on what to do. Okay, so send me a text on the office. We go to the office on Friday. Everyone is invited. You can come to the office and come work with us. So definitely that's what's happening. Can a new update take multiple trades? Definitely, yes. The settings, we have the settings for that. You can do that. Can we have the settings to install the MT5, please? Yes, definitely. But we have the team. You don't have to stress yourself. We need to get someone to help you. Yeah, definitely. The address will be shared. Okay, see you on Friday. Definitely. Let's come and sanitize. Sanitizing poverty is what this is how we live about. It's a process that we believe on. So as long as you are with us, I promise you are in the right place. Continue showing how to make your own password. Definitely. For the whole week. So this video, I'll share it with you. You can watch it. Then tomorrow again, we're going to take it from here. Then show you, do an example, and show you all the stuff till you get it. At least if we could have 50 people who can do this and then empower, it's good, because meaning you can trade 24/7. That's good, because now we have got MT5, now we have got MT4, we are trading pairs, we are trading NASDAQ, we are trading boom crash and all that. You see, with analysis, you can't make a robot if you don't know how to trade. So that's why here you're with the senior. You're in the right place, by the way. So guys, I'll send you this. So see you tomorrow. Make sure your account is ready. Make sure that your robot is fine. Let's kill poverty tomorrow. Together we can conquer. Together we can conquer. As long as you are here, I promise you, you are in the right place. Small problems are there to empower us and to make us strong. So let's make money. Making money makes sense. Can I use to trade pairs? Definitely you can. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Make sure that your robot is fine. If you have questions, drop the questions on Telegram. If you haven't received the robot, make sure that you send us the proof of pay. Send us the your Forex account ID. We'll verify it for you. And then if maybe the guys are still busy, we can send you the video on how to install. Then you install. Then tomorrow morning we start sanitizing poverty heavily, mercilessly. Let's kill poverty. It's that time now. Okay, guys. See tomorrow. This video is gonna end in no moment. So in less than a minute, this video shall end. So yeah, okay, cool.